Welcome to Wycomico County Public Library Center Branch inside the Salisbury Mall across from the Chuck E. Cheese. And we're here to announce today our Take and Make projects are back. Yes, the Take and Make project were popular during the pandemic, which we all know was COVID-19. The projects will be offered from the fall and the winter months. 2 projects per month, a children's project, and an adult/teen projects. The projects will begin on September the 12th. You will be able to come inside the Center Branch Library inside of Salisbury Mall and pick up your project. Once you have picked up your project, you will access our website, wacomicolibraries.org. That's wacomicolibraries.org, to access our YouTube channel to put your project together. We hope you enjoy doing your projects, have a good time putting them together, and thank you. Hi, welcome to Wycomico County Public Library Center Branch. And we are here today to put together your take and makes that you picked up for September the 12th, which is tissue box covers. We're going to call this the small tissue box covers. And this is going to be our large tissue box cover. In your bag, you should have, for your small, you should have 2 solid colors and 5 panels. In your large, you should have 5 solid colors, and you should have 5 printed panels. So we're going to get started. You should have Elmer's glue, and you cannot use Elmer's thick glue, and I suggest that you do not use Elmer's regular glue. Elmer's craft glue is what you want to use. It allows the projects to last extremely longer. We're talking about like a year longer or more. So if you cannot get Elmer's craft glue, they're at Walmart, they're at Hobby Lobby or Target, or you can go online to Amazon. If you cannot get the glue, you can use regular Elmer's glue. So let's get started. So if you have the large box, you're going to see all the dashes here, dashes here, dashes here. You're going to fold each dash on each 4 pieces. Once you have folded all the pieces, you're going to take your 2 first pieces. You're going to place glue on your edges, your fold edges, and you're going to glue the pieces together. Once you have glued those 2 pieces together, you're going to take the 3rd piece, and you're going to put glue on this edge, and you're going to glue these pieces together. Once you have done that, you're going to take your last piece, put glue on it, and you're going to fold it, and you're going to glue those pieces together. All the pieces will form together to make this. Okay? Once you have glued all your bottom pieces down, it should look just like that. If you have any curves that are open like that, you want to put some glue in it and make sure it's glued down safely. Now, if you have a child that's working on a project with you, I would suggest that you do all the gluing to put the box together. So, and I will allow the child to put the panel pieces on. Each panel pieces go exactly, they fit just the same. If you're allowing the kid to do the project, make sure these are down. And each panel fits each one, okay? Be sure if you have a child doing it to put your panels down so they won't glue the panels on top of the piece that's supposed to be bent back. Each panel fits. So you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 panels. Okay, once you got your panels glued on, it's gonna look just like this. Now, we're gonna put the project and close it up. Okay? Once you have closed it up, the project will look like that. You're going to take glue and put it around all the edges. Okay?